Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. In this video, we are going to give you an information and insight about a wonderful tool that is TestCase Studio. Right now, TestCase Studio, as the name suggests, it is a wonderful tool that will help you to write the test cases automatically. So, as there are many tools available in the market which records and you can play back. TestCase Studio is a free browser recorder plugin that will actually record the user actions that you will perform on a web application in a plain English language sentences, right? And they will also screenshots also will be captured. So this is a wonderful tool that is created, that is innovated by one of our own Sanjay Kumar, right? Apart from TestCase Studio, he has launched various tools in the market like Selectors Hub, Testing Daily. So all these tools are available totally free of cost, and you can just install those tools, install these plugins in any of the browsers, whichever you are working on. So in this video, we would be looking into the detail about TestCase Studio. But before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Right? So let's see what is TestCase Studio. Right? So if you will search on the Google, so selectorshub.com, there is a website, and in the website they have mentioned various tools that are available. So you can see products, Selectors Hub, Selectors Hub Pro, TestCase Studio, TestCase Studio Pro, Testing Daily, Auto Test Data, TestCase Hub, Selectors Hub Ads, Practice Page. Selectors Hub Ads is related to the advertisement that you would like to do for your own products. Practice Page is also available where you can practice about the XPath controls, right? So there is a practice page. So imagine the effort that they have put on after creating this wonderful page, right? And you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel, which is Selectors Hub YouTube channel. So you will get all the information of the latest tools, technologies, latest updates related to Selectors Hub, Testing Daily, TestCase Studio, TestCase Hub in all this particular channel itself. Right now, let's look at the TestCase Studio. Now, what is this TestCase Studio, right? So as we were discussing right now, TestCase Studio is actually a free browser recorder plugin. So it's available totally free of cost, right? So, and not only that, it will record the user actions. So as and when whatever you will do, it will be recorded, right? And you will also have the user actions in the plain text English language. So generally, testers take a lot of time in designing test cases, in developing test cases. So this particular tool will actually help them in minimizing their effort, right? So there are three simple steps to start with the plugin. Add TestCase Studio to your browser from below links, right? Then you have to restart the browser and open the website. Pin the extension to the toolbar in your browser. TestCase Studio is installed and setup is ready. Now click on the TestCase Studio logo in the browser toolbar and start performing your functional testing, and it will record every action automatically, right? So you can install. So what we would do is we would install this particular tool now. Right. So as soon as you will click, we'll say add to Chrome, add extension, right? So this is about testing it. So we added that extension, right? This is the extension TestCase Studio. You can pin. So now you can see this tool, right? Just click on this TestCase Studio. Okay. So once you will click on the TestCase Studio, so this kind of a screen will display, right? See, it is showing the recent date, time, right? And what your OS is there, what is the Chrome browser version that it will show, resolution it is showing, right? now start your testing. So what we will do is we will take one website now. So let me take some website, which is, let us take amazon.com, right? So let us open amazon.com and I'll say record screen, right? And I'll go to this Amazon website. I'll search some, let's say, iPhone charger, right? And I need to check the, or we can verify the price. Okay, now let's go to this plugin, what it had recorded. See, here is the test cases that has been recorded. You can see it is also generating the locators, the XPath, the CSS selector for that particular website, for that particular link, right? So if you want to automate, then you can also utilize this locator that are being displayed, or you can also use Selectors Hub, right? So that's how you can record and you can generate the test cases using TestCase Studio, right? You can also download this test cases, execute steps in English as code. You can execute it, you can customize the template, right? So you will see there is a plan that is available for free, that is available for premium as well as for business. So if you are accessing this tool for free, then also you will get this particular thing: record every action and write in English sentence, capture screenshots. So I think we didn't see the screenshots, so let us have a look at the screenshots also, right? So you can see the screenshots here, so you will come to know what actually got executed or what actually got captured, right? And see, one more good thing is that it is not capturing the other applications that are running on during this session, right? So that's way too good, right? So please use this TestCase Studio. It is a boon for all the testers. It will be helpful also to most of the people, right? You can also record multiple test cases, right? You can also download, you can raise, if any ticket is there, raise any issue is there. So all those things are available in the TestCase Studio. So please do uh, set up this TestCase Studio today, and once it is done, once you are using it, then please tag me and Sanjay Kumar on LinkedIn, so that uh, this kind of tools will get a lot of boost. They will be actually used by the testing community, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates.